question 7 was actually the last question of the 2017 GCSE paper for Edexcel, the non-calculator for Edexcel. So there's a lot of solutions to this online already, which means I don't really need to do it again, do I? So I just put X here and X here, and you make that little triangle there. You also know that that angle there, ABC, you know that that angle there is 30. And so if you use your cosine rule for that part there, that AC squared equals x squared plus x squared minus 2 times x, not the x side, times the cos of the angle between them. Now the cos of 30 is it's root 3 over 2, and you needed to know that as a non-calculator part on this one here, but you could just tap that in your calculator. The other part that you do here is you work on PQ. You work on this angle here, and you work on the fact that this here to here is actually going to be exactly the same, and you're going up and down like that. And you know that that P to B is 10, and that P to B there is 10. So again, now you've got PQ squared equals 10 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 10 squared times the cos of the angle between them, the cos of PBQ. That's what you're trying to get out. Right, well, looking at that all together, that, everything's got an x squared in it, so you can take a factor of x squared out. You've got 1 plus 1 is 2, take away 2 root 3's over 2. And of course 2 root 3's over 2, that's just root 3. So that's that one there. This part here, we can work this out. We've got 10 squared and 10 squared. 100 plus 100 is 200, minus 200, the cos of the angle that we're trying to get. Just rearranging that then, we've got 200, the cos of PBQ, equals 200 minus x squared, lots of 2 minus root 3. And if we divide both by 200, there we've got the answer. A bit of tidying up to do. So 200 divided by 200 is 1 minus 2 minus root 3 over 200 x squared. That's what we were aiming for here. Still, a very tough last question in a GCSE, and one that many of the maths teachers struggled with when I gave it to them in the summer of 2017.